In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the spark plugs on your Subaru Outback. These will be located on the side of the motor. Let's get started. We're going to remove the rear driver's side coil. Reach around the back. There's a tab on top. Push on the lock. Pull straight back. Remove the connector. Put that to the side. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt for the coil. Remove the bolt. Remove the coil. You're going to have to bend it up to the side, and it is going to be a tight fit. Twist the coil around so there's no ears hitting the harness, and remove the coil. Using a 16mm socket on a small extension, we're then going to put a 1-inch extension on that. Remove the spark plug. Install the spark plug into the socket. Feed it down the tube. Get the spark plug started by hand. You do not want to cross-thread this. Get it down as far as you can by hand. The less ratchet work we need to do down here, the better. Torque the spark plug to 15 foot-pounds. Install the ignition coil. Line the ear up with the hole. Get the bolt started by hand. Snug it down. Torque the bolt between 6 and 7 foot-pounds. Install the connector onto the coil. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. The process for the next 3 spark plugs is going to be the same. There's one right in front on the driver's side, and then there will be 2 more on the passenger side. This is the front one. This is the one in the rear.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.